Are you ready?
Ready.
Up! Okay, gagalaw muna. Okay, gagalaw muna. Okay, good.
Sige.
Holster.
Holster.
Okay, next. Huwag kayo atras agad. Putukan nyo muna. Putukan nyo muna, tapos step back. Okay? Okay, next.
Dalawa yung nakatisap.
Ha? Oo. Okay, load and make ready. Holster. Okay? Huwag kang gagalaw pag putok mo ng dalawa. Okay. Are you ready?
Hey, so.
Up! Yeah, good. Search and assess.
Okay.
Okay. Magazine out. Slide down, holster. Next. Load and make ready. Okay.
Same position pa para stable ka. Dalawa.
Are you ready?
Hello, sir.
Up!
Nice.
Nice. Good. Search and assess. Good. Okay, magazine out. Hammer down, holster. Next. Ready.
Holster.
Holster. Relax lang, ha?
Dalawa.
Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Up! Yo! Search and assess. Good. Next.
Load and make.
Load and make ready.
Mechanics yan. Ano yan? Stoker sa safety on.
Ano siya?
Naka-hammer up. Ano mo. Walang safety yan eh. Safety mo muna.
Yun.
Yan.
Para safe lang tayo.
Oh, lapit. Sige.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Up!
Sige.
Sige, tuloy! Sige! Okay! Good! Search
Diba
and assess.
double action yan?
Oo.
Oh, bakit hindi mo iputok mo siya ng double action? Pwede. Gusto mo kasi naka-single ka. Eh. Kapag pinutok mo ng double action yan, the next yan is single na.
Okay,
Kaya
holster.
ano ka eh, naghinto ka pa eh. Huminto ka pa sa first round mo, tapos tinignan mo pa kung naka-safe ka.
Okay.
Matuto kayong pumutok yan sa double action pistol. DASA kasi yan eh.
Okay, next!
Mechanics yan.
Load and make ready.
Sigana, sir.
Mechanics?
Sigana, sir. Sigana,
okay.
please.
Sige. Ano naman siya eh.
Okay. Holster. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Up!
Nice.
Good! Search and assess.
Clear your weapon.
Okay, magazine out. Open bolt. Okay, slide down. Hammer down. Holster. Next. Load and make ready. Okay. Are you ready?
Sir.
Up! Sige, clear!
Yo! Isa
Sige, clear!
Sige.
Okay. Basta tanda mo, jump, clear agad.
Clear ka
Huwag ka
agad.
magdalawang isip. Okay? Holster.
Sino meron pa?
Ayan, yung laga mo.
Sino? Wala siya.
Ah, wala na?
Sa bala, meron siya sa dito.
Bukas na raw.